Now we'll study about common size. Previous session was based on comparative. First watch comparative, then common size. So over here, what we do, here also we are studying. There we were seeing the previous change in comparison to previous year, putting it in percentage term. But this is vertical analysis. Here everything is compared to one parameter. So when it comes to comparative balance sheet, we compare everything to the total of balance sheet. And when we compare income statement, we compare everything to sales, which we call as RFO. So here what we do is we again write the balance sheet, first previous year data, then current year data, we copy as it is. And then we put it in percentage term. Hereby it might be given for 1 year. Even if you don't change the sequence of previous and current year, it won't matter much. It's better to do it, but if it is not possible, you made a mistake, no need to redo it. This is the balance sheet given. What is the total for previous year? 18 lakh. What is the total for current year? 18 lakh. Here everything will be divided with 15 lakh. Here everything will be divided by 18 lakh and converted into percentage term. Similarly for assets also. So here they have copied first previous year data, current year data. Previous year 15 lakh is there. So this turns out to be 8 by 15 into 100, which turns out to be 53.33. 1 by 15 into 100, 6.67. 1 by 15, 6.67. 2 by 15 will be double of that, 13.33. 3 by 15. 3 by 15 is what? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is what? 20%. Again 1 by 6 we have already calculated, 6.67. Otherwise total of all these three should come as 100%. So missing figure can also be calculated. Then in assets we have done the same. 5 by 15 into 100. 1 by 15 into 100. See, sometimes the amount we have already calculated. We know what is 1 by 15. No need to calculate it again and again. Same 6.66 can be copied here. 3 by 15 we already know. 4 by 15 we might have to solve. 4 by 15 is 4 times of 6.66. You can do like that also. 2 lakh we have already calculated 2 by 15. Everything divided by 15 lakh. Here everything divided by 18 lakh into 100 comes like this. Everything here divided by 18 lakh into 100 comes like this. So every element is divided by the total of that side. Balance sheet asset liability side is same. So total of balance sheet word can be used. We divide everything by that in balance sheet. We have to take care what is asked. Then income statement also we can be asked. This is a format of income statement we have seen. RFO plus other income is total revenue. This is nothing but your sales. Then there are different types of expenses. We'll calculate the total expense, profit before tax. Percentage of profit before tax is tax. And profit before tax minus tax gives me profit after tax. Previous year data, current year data. Here everything is divided by this RFO of this year. So answer will turn out to be 100%. Here everything will be divided by this RFO. Here everything was divided by this amount. Let this be A. Let this be B. Everything divided by B. Not by total revenue, but by sales. So this first column comes 100. These will be different amounts. So we need to know how to prepare RFO, how to put it in the correct format. Then we just need to divide it. Here again, it might be for 1 year. You might do only for current. You may put current year first and then previous. It doesn't make much difference. This is RFO, employee benefit and other expense. So RFO, expenses total they have done and calculated profit before tax. What they have done, 20 by 20 into 100, 100%. 10 by 20 lakh into 100, 50%. 1 by 20 lakh into 100, 5%. 11 by 20 lakh into 100, 55%. 9 by 20 lakh into 100, 45%. That's how the percentages have been calculated for all. Another example for the same is given where they have converted into percentage. First prepared this. Here this row everything is divided by 16 lakh and put here. Here everything is divided by 20 lakh and put in this column. That's called common size statement. It could be income statement, it could be position statement, that is, it could be statement of P&L, it could be balance sheet. So let's do a quick recap. In comparative, we compare previous year and current year. We find absolute change and percentage change. Here in balance sheet, we divide everything with sales, which is called, in balance sheet, we divide everything with total of balance sheet. And in income statement, we divide, or statement of P&L, we divide everything with sales, which we call as RFO, and put it in percentage terms. Thank you.